This 2009 Newmar Grand Star 3752 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Truffle Decor, ginger glazed maple cabinetry interior, sleeps 6, external shower, skylight, self-contained, TV, stove-top burner, oven, refrigerator, slide-out, leveling jacks, air conditioning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front dinette, front kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2009 Newmar Grand Star 3752 is built on a Workhorse chassis and is powered by a Ford 340 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.